Hey everyone, welcome to Earthling Cooks. Today we're going to make some French fries in the air fryer. First thing we got to do is peel the potatoes. You want to use russet potatoes. Once peeled, we'll just cut these in to about 1/2 to 3/4 inch sizes. Usually I'll go ahead and cut off the bottom so you get a flat piece, and then you can go ahead and cut through. And then once you're through, you can cut these all again into slices. Once they're sliced up, throw them into a tub of water so they don't go brown and so the starch starts going away. And then we'll go ahead to the next step. Yes, this is an air fryer video, but what we're going to do now is take these and put them into a boiling pot of water. We want to kind of start cooking these just a little bit, so we're going to boil them for about 7 minutes. And then after that, we're going to strain them, and then we'll go season them, and then we'll finish them in the fryer. After they've boiled for about 7 minutes, take them out in a strainer and let them sit until they cool down a little bit. Once they've cooled for about 5 minutes and stopped steaming like crazy, we're going to season them before we throw them in the air fryer. I have this spray that the only ingredient is olive oil. You can just use the pour type. I just figure this spray will coat them a little easier. Don't use some spray that's like fake with tons of ingredients. So I'm just going to spray them and shake them around a bit. And then we're just going to add on our seasonings. So I'm just going to do salt, pepper, and a little bit of Cajun. Now we're ready for the air fryer, but don't just throw these in. Kind of play like Lincoln Logs a little bit, because you want the air to be able to pass through everywhere. So we're going to have too many to just, line them up perfectly across the bottom. But we'll line some up across the bottom and then some more over them, kind of the other way, and just make sure we got some airflow going between them. And there we go. Now we're ready for the fryer. So we'll go ahead and put them in, and we're going to cook these to begin with about 15 minutes, but we want to shake them at like 10, and we'll check them from there. So we'll go ahead and turn it to 375, and we'll check them at 10 minutes, but then cook a little more after that, or shake them at 10. There we go. After 10 minutes, we'll give them a shake, take a look at them. Looking good, about halfway done. And now we can mix them up a bit and set it to 10 more minutes. And now we can shake it every like 3 minutes, like a couple more times during this 10 minutes. Our time is up. Let's go ahead and take them out and see how we did. At the end here, you can throw on a little more salt. As you can tell, we got a nice crispy outside, but it's still soft and nice in the middle. So simple, easy recipe. We got the Ninja air fryer here. I'll link it down below. And we're going to do one more thing to finish these off. So we wanted to do some chili cheese fries, so we'll just take some of these. Just microwaved in a microwave safe bowl some of this turkey chili. And then we're going to go ahead and just grate some cheddar over it. There we have easy chili cheese fries at home. Give them a try and let me know how you think they are. This is Earthling Cooks. We'll see y'all later.